Today we'll be assembling the Lil Flyer Trike. Our first step is to take the rear axle assembly and place it onto the main frame. Place the M5x32 Chicago bolt into the square hole on the side of the frame, then take the M5x12 screw and hand tighten it into the other side of the Chicago bolt. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, fully tighten down that screw. Next, we'll assemble the seat. Take the seat and place it on the rear of the tricycle, then flip it over to access the screw holes on the bottom. Use the M6x10 screws, hand tighten those in place underneath the seat, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to fully tighten both in place. Next, grab the front fork and place it through the head tube of the tricycle. Make sure that the screw bosses are facing backwards on the front fork. Grab the handlebars and place them on top of the front fork stem. Using the M6x50 bolt, thread it into the back of the handlebars, and then fully tighten down with the Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure that this screw is all the way tightened down. And now you're ready to roll.